Yeah, it's kind of dark. Okay. Snowstorm 2010. Dave is going to try to open the door.
Want to try to open the door? Try to open the door. I think it's going to need two of us.
9 a.m. Saturday morning.
Push. 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 Oh my goodness.
The battery's blinking low.
My
Look at our car.
goodness. Who wants to shovel?
Excuse you.
Who wants to shovel?
I do.
Oh, there's Beepaw's car. Looks like somebody cleaned off Beepaw's car. Can't say the same for our car. Yeah, we have a little bit of snow out here. Just a little bit. Okay.